Acta Scientific Agriculture, ISSN, 2581-365X. Volume 3 Issue July 7, 2019. Weather Engineering and its Undesirable Side Effects on the Environment, Natural Resources, Agriculture, and Human Health. Monir MM El Husseini *. Professor of Environmental Protection, Faculty of Agriculture, Cairo University, Egypt. Corresponding author, Monir MM El Husseini, Professor of Environmental Protection, Faculty of Agriculture, Cairo University, Egypt. Received, April 18, 2019, published, June 24, 2019. doi, 10.3180/ASAG.2019.03.0543. Abstract. Weather engineering scientists developed a new chemtrail technology applied by jets in the stratosphere for decreasing the global warming. It is based on building synthetic chemical clouds of aluminum oxide as well as Bach particles to reflect the heat coming from the sun back in the upper atmosphere, and thus cooling the air on Earth. The applied aerosol mixture contains also nanoparticles of barium monoxide which react with CO2 when reaching the troposphere, turning into barium carbonate and bicarbonate, leading to minimization of its content in the atmosphere on the long run. In 2000, the UN approved the first global weather engineering project in the history of mankind to combat the global warming by chemtrail technology for the period from 2000 to 2050 with a budget of US $50 billion, $1 bill/year, financed and completely managed by USA alone. Since the application took place on the global level, climatologists, biologists, agronomists, and medical institutions around the globe recorded and explained undesirable side effects of this technology with severe impact on the weather, natural resources of flora and fauna as well as on human health. These effects could be summarized in the following: 1. Creation of completely new wind directions by induced air depressions. 2. Dehydration of certain ecosystems through the aluminum oxide. 3. Charging giant air electric fields leading to more lighting that induced wildfires in dehydrated forests and rangeland. 4. Increasing frequency and empowering the natural disasters by seeding air with precipitation nuclei causing floods. 5. Cooling upper air layers over warm water causing hurricanes, tornadoes, and building heavy snow and hail. 6. Decreasing air visibility due to suspended chemtrail particles in the air. 7. Causing health problems with allergic symptoms to chemicals and components of its aerosol. 8. Creation of extreme killer heat waves when reflecting heat back to Earth by aluminum oxide. 9. Increasing human mortality in proportion to decreased air visibility, and 10. Increasing risk with calcification diseases caused by the stratospheric nanobacteria carried down to Earth on the chemtrail particles. Keywords: weather engineering, chemtrail technology, global warming, side effects, environment, natural resources, and human health. Introduction. In the last 2 decades, investigators and researchers around the globe have been hardly searching for solutions to decrease the a global warming phenomenon a greenhouse warming euro. International agreements has been signed to reach this goal among a decade or more, e.g. the Kyoto Protocol signed 1997 in Japan by nearly all countries except 5 ones including USA and Russia due to high costs for decreasing emission of CO2, carbon cutback, resulting mostly from burning energy material, i.e., fossil fuel and charcoal. In 1991, the climatologists David Shang and Ifu Kai working in the Hughes Aircraft Line Company, now Hughes Aerospace Company, in the USA patented a chemical solution for decreasing the global warming depending on the aluminum oxide formed in nanoparticles, Welsbach particles, that can reflect about 2% of the sun heat back in the space when seeded by jets in the stratosphere. Patent USA #5003186, 1991. In a special international meeting under the umbrella of the United Nations in 2000, the USA presented the positive results recorded after application of this geoengineering technique over the entire continent during the period from 1991 to 2000 that decreased the warming by 70 to 80%. Then, USA offered the international community a global project Earth Shield project that priced the aerial spray program at US $1 billion a year for 50 years, 2000 to 2050, without financial sharing of any country. The project was approved by the UN gathering after involving the WHO, as many environmentalists were concerned with the side effects of such chemicals and other material of the sprayed aerosol on humans when settled from the stratosphere to the troposphere on Earth. Different undesired climatic changes were recorded and explained as side effects for the global application of chemtrails at many parts of the world. 1. Example: creation of low-pressure zones, depressions, in the atmosphere followed by new wind directions, strong hurricanes, heavy hail, rains and floods, heavy snowfalls, avalanches, more lighting, ecosystem dehydration associated with wildfires, and decreased air visibility. 2 to 4. To read the rest of the research, you will find the link below the video.